Yo, what's up guys, it's Reese VR, and in this video we're going to be checking out the new update because... I do. In this video we're going to be checking out the new update because why not?
Do you hear me?
I hear you, yeah. Anyways, in this video we're going to be checking out the new update because...
Do you hear me?
If you say do you hear me again, I swear I'm doing this video by myself.
Oh, Spinosphere, such a big fan, don't kick me out of the video.
Anyways, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be exploring everything new, you know. It's gonna be pretty fun. So basically, you guys should definitely hit that subscribe button because, you know, it really helps my channel, really helps me be able to make quality content for you guys, and it really warms my heart when you guys
quality.
Define. Shut up! You're so mean. Well, I try to make quality videos, but yeah, I mean, thank you. Shh. Basically, yeah, that's, I mean, like and subscribe if you want to, you don't have to, but it really helps me, and it really warms my heart when you guys give me that support. Anyways, let's get straight into the video by checking out Shop first. Okay, so, new bundle, it's kind of mid,
Leaf Ninja.
you know?
But this would actually look good on your colors, like on green.
I wish I could try it on.
How do you try it on without buying it?
That's the problem. You can't. Do I hear somebody else's footsteps? Oh!
Oh, okay,
fur.
dude. Negative 300 shiny.
That's bad.
Negative 300. I have negative 300. I'm in debt to Lemon.
That's bad. I have 9,600.
No, I'm in debt to Lemon.
I know, that's bad,
Lemon
dude.
shiny rocks.
How can you owe shiny rocks?
I don't know.
Alright guys, well, they have this.
Guys, this is now Parrot Tag.
Parrot Tag, bro. Hold on, let me put on, I have to put on all the parrot cosmetics. If I don't, I'm gonna feel
Is there
not
a new top
right.
pack? Is there a new top?
Oh, okay. You sound a bit aggressive about that. First of all, new badge. So we're gonna start with this new badge. Boink. Hey. Okay. Last time trying to purchase the badge. Okay. There we go.
Bruce VR, it's perfect.
Okay, new badge. I mean, it's a badge. I don't know how else to explain it.
Man, I love Parrot Tag.
Bacock. Okay, I need to stop. I just want to try on some cosmetics because I feel like there might be something
of this video playing Parrot Tag for the first time.
No. Fine, I will. I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you.
Name the title, Parrot Tag. New game.
I'll do it for you. But only for you. Just trying out some new cosmetics.
When they see the title, everyone starts searching up Parrot Tag.
Parrot Tag? That would be crazy.
I wouldn't be surprised if it's real.
Yo, what's up, guys? That's so cool. I might have to cop. Guys, I have my new fit.
Dude, my fat head is stuck.
If you don't like it, don't care. Of course it is. Of course it is. You know what? You know what?
Thank you.
Buddy. No problem. I'm super helpful.
Well, so.
Wait. I'm probably gonna change my own. I like that green. It's just not the Spruce VR green we all know and love. Yeah. I like that green. I'm just gonna go check what it looks like though. Guys, I'm a big fashion person. Like, I really want to know that I look good.
Yeah, guys,
when it comes to clothes.
Brag, but I'm kind of a fashion person. If you
So I mean, yeah, this is new fit, dude. Y'all have a problem with it? Y'all want me to switch back to my old? Okay. Alright, blood. Yeah, I think you need to gather. If y'all want me to switch back to the old though, just tell me in the comments.
Yeah, tell
I mean,
us.
yeah, but now we're gonna go to clouds. Look at this little poopy fart pants. Yeah, just got roasted. Don't go up yet. Alright. Chat. Oh crap. Turning around.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Twins, well, gliders.
Chat. Chattington McDougal II. What has been happening here? We're gonna nosedive real quick. Oh shoot! Chattington McBarnacles. Oh yeah, lift me. Chat. I mean, hold on. Lemming's cooking. The whole Gorilla Tag developing team,
This is so much fun.
they're doing some cookery. Guys. Keeping a steady pace. Yep. Dude. I'm actually getting the hang of it. No way. Watch this. Oh, that's gonna be so useful. Uh-oh. Guys, that specific... I know, right? This is insane. That specific glider is mine. We're on a quest to go get... Gimme the glider. I'm calling this glider Gimme.
Dude, you can climb this.
Chat, no! Oh! Oh, crap! Oh! You get pushed out. This is so cool, bro. Is this like a new hang gliding mode? I'm confused as to what's happening, but I'm not complaining at all. Throw. You know, I have an idea, speaking of throw. Dude, this is so cool. Dude, that's crazy. Guys, clouds used to suck. Clouds used to be so butt. Holy, okay, well, once again, I can only use that one. So, I mean... No. I can only use this green one. I'm sorry, but I don't want to mess up your leaf.
Can you sign my leaf?
guys, I mean, I'm pretty sure that, like, pretty much wraps it up. This is very cool, dude. Holy crap. Holy, man. No, I fell. I'm so bad. Let me grab Aiden so we can do the outro. Bet. I feel like this map's gonna get boring after a little while.
Like,
do you
it's
agree?
Still fun.
Yeah, it's fun, but
yeah,
I feel
agree,
like.
But for now.
Yeah, I like the revamp for now, but later along the line.
Might not be my least favorite map anymore.
I don't know what my least favorite map is. I still
know
like.
What one of mine is.
Beach.
Yeah. Stupid water.
Maybe you just gotta learn how to move in it.
I mean, you just gotta learn how to. You just gotta learn how to go up and down and Beat Saber and get better. Yeah, that's one.
Okay, Beat Saber isn't as simple as Gorilla Tag. Anyway.
Video. Yeah, I don't care. In the new video, today we're gonna be making a video about how we want to get out of this community. I've been realizing a new youth popping up on my station, and I just don't think it's fit for this. You agree, guys? Let me put down a comment below. Hit me with it, I dare you.
No. Nope. You know what I can do that you can't? You know what I can do that you can't? I do mountains really good now. Yeah, buddy. Come on, chase me. Chase me. Chase me.
I thought we were doing the outro.
Yeah, buddy. I thought we were too until you started being a meanie. Anyways. Thank you guys for watching. I gotta run from this little meanie. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Hey guys, it's Spruce VR, and I just wanted to add that I'm so sorry about the lack of uploading. I've been getting sick a lot. I had a really bad migraine for a couple of days. I've had to scrap multiple videos. Everything's just been really bad. I've been down on my luck lately, and I'm really sorry about that, guys. I really do love content creating, and it sucks that I had to miss a couple of days. But we always bounce back. We always get back to our schedules, and you're going to see much more videos from me. You're going to see much more content. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.